Yes. Is it okay if I go early?
Yeah, where you headed to?
I'm going to lunch because I have to go downstairs and stuff, so I just take my time.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay.
You think you need some?
No. Oh, sorry. I was mumbling of like a few words because we had a sub period. That's why. You know, because the teacher wasn't here today, so I had two substitutes in one day. So, say less. And yes, we have block schedule again because it's finals. Like I said, yes, it is finals. You know, the 2021 to 2022 school year. We have finals and stuff. Since we're in the month of May. And yeah. Like, since we're in the month of May, there's like exams like for algebra, electives, and etc. So that's why. And yes. So it's like we had finals and stuff. So that's why. And it is is a windy day, and it's like, I would say, the temperature for today, the high is, like 80, like 97 degrees. Right now it's 80, like, right now it's 70, but like right now it's 70, it's like 83, and it's a cold wind. So yeah, and today's periods are 6, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So 6th period was from 7:20 to 10:30. 3rd period was from 10:36 to 11:18, and then it depends on where your 4th period is. So if your 4th period is in the 700, 800, 400, then you'll have a lunch. But if your 4th period is in the 200 or 600, then you go to straight to 4th period, and then you go to B lunch afterwards, after 4th period. So my 4th period is in the 200, so I have B lunch, but ready, since I eat breakfast here, I don't, and I'm kind of exhausted, like, I'm actually like kind of tired because woke up at 4 a.m. because my bus 4408 comes at 5:20 in the morning. Like, technically 5:26. It's supposed to come at 5:26 in the morning, and yeah, 5:26 a.m. that's when it comes. And yeah, so thankfully I've been used to it for a long time. So yeah. But yeah, today is a sunny day, also, since the transportation buses for this 5th period route, we have 5th period today. So the transportation for the 5th period route, so okay, so the 5th period transportation buses are 4460 and 4458. So those are the 2 buses that are the transportation to the main campus for 5th period. And the bus numbers are 181, 94 for 4458, and then 4460s, 191. So for the 4458 is 181.94, and then 4460 is 191.60. So, and then the 6th period route is 4459. Bus number is 227.22, and then 4455 181.93, and then 4311 171.18, and then so basically, so 4410 here, basically 4410, 4408, 4402, 4409, 4407, 4412, 4418, 4415 are the transportation to the main campus for the 7th period route. So yeah, it is windy. so that, like, doesn't ruin everything, Because, look, sunny day. Oh, I thought that car was, coming this way, but, like, it actually is. And then we have, like, the other, and yes, it is windy. So if you guys can hear, yeah, then y'all are good. Because there's this whole line back there. So all the handicap buses are lined up right here. So they're right here. They're always lined up. So that's why. We might get the transportation buses for the 5th period route. If we do get them, then I'll get them on camera. But B-lunch is from 12:06 to 12:36. So if they arrive in between 12:36 and 12:42, then yes, we'll get them on camera. But if they do not, then we're not gonna get them. But basically, it's a sunny day. Today's outfit is basically this shirt, jacket, pants, and my Air Forces, obviously. So, me just chilling in the sun. I'm kind of getting hungry, but I ate a protein bar earlier, which is fine. I had breakfast and stuff. So right now it is 12:09, so we're good on that. And school ends at 2:20, so we have 2 hours and 11 minutes left. And there's there's only 11 days left of school. Since school ends on May 25th, 2022, that's the last day. So, yeah. And tomorrow's a sad day because tomorrow all the seniors are leaving because, yeah, I guess, yeah, all the seniors are leaving tomorrow, which is sad because in my 4th period, I didn't know he was a senior until he told me like 2 months ago. So yeah, I'm actually gonna kind of miss him because he finished all his 4 years of high school. So he finished all his 4 years of high school. So it's nothing new, but still. And I also made a friend. His name is Josh. So he's leaving too. And yeah. But hey, it's what it is. 11 days left of school for me. So I graduate in 2025. And I think all those 2025 is gonna go my year, because this is my last school. Literally, I'm telling you all right now that high school is my last school for my life. I'm telling you all that. So basically, high school is my last school for my entire life. After, this is my last school. I made it. I made it through elementary school, I made it through middle school, and now I'm at high school. So this is my last school for the rest of my life. After high school, I'm done with school forever, and I can do what I want, I can sleep in, and stuff. So, yeah. Because it's actually like gonna kind of achieve with everything, but like in the end, normally when you're a high schooler, you'll eventually like get to see like one things, but like yeah. And this is the big grass area, like about the 600 between 200. This is the big grass area, like right here, between 200 and 600. So yeah, and it's actually pretty neat. And then all the way like back there, all the way down in that corner by the 600 is like the big area where all the other buses park as well. There's like also that area too, so it's nothing new, but I'm just telling you all that. But if y'all don't know for sure, then there's your chance to know. And it's like windy today, and it's cold wind. It's like, you know, kind of warm air with cold wind in it, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, see, the trees are blowing. See, you guys can see the trees. Yeah, look, they're kind of moving, right? If y'all can see that, then yeah, y'all can kind of see the trees moving and stuff. Yeah, that's what they are all like trying to do right now. You know, like they're all moving, so we have a nice sunny day, clear clouds, with no rain. But I know Thursday it's gonna rain, so that's gonna ruin like my vlog, because also later so guys, if you guys remember my videos here, so if you guys sorry, give me a second, there's something in my eye. Alright, I got it out. Danian. So guys, if you guys remember, so if you guys remember, my videos that I film here at the bus loop after 7th period, right? Well, I'm gonna do another vlog today, and in the same day, but it's gonna be, you know, with my, like, it's gonna be here at the bus loop after 7th period, when I take them to the bus and stuff. But yeah, so usually, so this video is gonna be filmed in another video, where another video is gonna be filmed in the exact same day as this one. So just keep in mind that, because every week I wear the same shirts. Like, I have a routine, like, since I do laundry and stuff over the weekend. So Mondays I wear the blue polo shirt, right? Tuesdays I wear this. Wednesdays I wear that the red shirt with white stripes. Thursday I wear my gray, the Old Navy shirt. So I have a routine for the shirts. So the routine is, on Mondays I wear the blue polo shirt. Tuesdays I wear this. So Tuesdays, okay, yeah. Okay, so Mondays I wear this shirt. I mean, no, yeah, I keep messing up. So Mondays I wear the blue polo shirt. Tuesdays I wear this shirt. Wednesdays I wear the red shirt with white stripes all over, that are like, like all around the shirt. I mean, like, yeah, all around the shirt that are on it. And then Thursdays I wear the Old Navy shirt. And then Fridays I wear the Wildcat, the Winnipeg High School shirt. So just know the yeah. So the routine for the shirts are blue polo shirt on Monday, this shirt on Tuesdays, red shirt on Wednesdays, gray shirt, the Old Navy one, on Thursdays, and then the Warner Park High School Wildcat shirt on Fridays. So that's basically like the whole shirt collection, I guess, or like whatever you're, like whatever sort of thing you're trying to call it, but because if you think about it, whatever kind of shirt you're trying to call it and stuff doesn't necessarily happen. But if it does, and yeah, damn, my beard is like, catching on. Like, look, mustache. Hold on, I got an idea. I'm gonna do like a face thing. Let's see. Like I'm gonna do something where you can see. And y'all can see, like, the top is growing, but like, in my defense, the top is kind of growing, and then I don't know what's happening with this, like, with the rest of it. I think it's, I don't know, like, if, I don't know what spot is trying to grow. Sorry for the bad lighting every time. Like, yeah, I don't know which side of the, I don't know if this thing is gonna get longer, or is it gonna grow more? I'm not sure. I mean, it technically all depends. So. Cause like, I don't know if it's, I think it's just the way that it is. Yeah. I think it's just that. Me just trying to walk around. Not a big issue. But yeah, we could try to get some good lighting shots. Since it's like a sunny day. Or let's try to get some afterwards. And then this way, I think I'm able to get them on camera. from like the ball on Park Street. So if it all comes to that, then we will get them. Like, as I'm saying, like if they arrive, then we can get them on camera. This is a good lighting show. I'm not sure. Like, I'm not positively sure, like, what to expect, you know? And, it's 12:22, so, because, like, me, I don't know what to expect, and, I personally think that, like, doing stuff is actually not that hard. I actually brought some snacks, since I already ate lunch as well. Why not? Because later I can just eat something when I go home. Just brought hot Cheetos. You know, they actually, like, you know, starting to kick. But, I bring snacks every day, so, like, I don't. But, thinking about, I don't know what to, like, expect. If we can try to, so the goal is, what I'm gonna do, like, what I'm basically trying to do is, if I can hear them coming, like, if I hear them from that, like, if I hear the buses, those two buses, then I will know that they're coming, because then we can get them on camera. Or, I don't know, what else could we try, though? We could try, like, getting a good angle shot, but I don't know where in the bus loop, like, I don't know where in the bus loop, like, there's a good angle shot, because, like, I don't know where, because they're all gonna stop, like, in between, like, where the handicap buses are. Like, they're gonna, so, they're all gonna stop here where the handicap buses are all the time, where I showed you guys. They're gonna, those two buses are gonna stop, like, where they are, like, where the handicap buses are. They're gonna park, like, be on the sidewalk, and that's it. Because we can try to get them, but, like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Well, maybe, like, if, because good angle shots are, like, not necessarily, but honestly, I don't know what to expect. So, I gotta get in my fifth period, though, if they don't arrive. if they do, we're good. But the thing is, how is 4460 transportation buses for the main games for 5th period when we don't even, like, because I know it does not work for Brook Elementary either, or Brookshire. Because there's only one Bluebird at Brookshire, and that Bluebird is 4452. I mean, yeah, because there's only one Bluebird bus at Brookshire all the time, and that's 4454. But what do you guys think? Because that's kind of sus. Or actually not kind of weird. Unless there's something wrong with it. But there isn't. And the fact that, when leaving school, bus driver, he does not turn the AC on. Like, is he trying to let everyone die in this freaking heat? Like, it's hot now these days, and he's trying to probably let everyone die. Yeah, because in the afternoon, he does not turn the AC on. It's just so confusing to me. That, like, in the mornings, he has the AC on. But it's like, or something, I don't know. But, yeah, in the mornings, he has the AC on. When in the morning is like, so in the mornings, it's like always, 60, like, 79, 72. And he has AC on when it's 72 degrees. But as well, when it comes to temperature being, like, I don't know, when the temperature comes to being like I'd say less than 90. I mean, over 90. He does not turn the AC on. And that's the problem with that man, is that he's trying to let everyone die. And that's like that's the part, like, I don't know. I guess people annoyed in the bus, along with me. And the fact that he does that, I honestly think it's just like, it's just messed up. Because why would you let your own kids that you have, like, suffer the heat? If you get what I'm saying. Why would you do that, you know? In the end, it's always his problem. And then, like, at the end of the day, he doesn't consider anything. But today, I told him, can you please? Because I told him, will you have the AC on? When it's like, hopefully he like has the AC on today, you know? But if 4416 then get here, then I guess we're good. Today's windy, so good lighting shot. I'm gonna try to catch them off the back and like see what what will that do, but I don't know. Really hope to get them. Hopefully I can try to get them, like, you know. They should be here pretty soon, I'm not sure, but if they do, then because they shouldn't have disabled the block schedule thingy or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But like, hopefully they get here. But we still have a lot of time, so I mean, because last time all the buses arrived like in between. Yeah, I got a lot of pimples, like, what the heck? Like, I don't know why. Like, I don't know why I have a lot of pimples. Possibly. But it's what it is. Possibly, like, if they do, like, decide to come, because the bell hasn't rung yet, I don't know why. Like, I don't know why it hasn't, like, decided to ring. So. I think I hear them. I think I just saw something. Actually, it's kind of both. Because I wonder if they're gonna come through Baldwin Park or Woodcrest. Let's see. Like, what point are they at? If I don't see them at that, thingy, then I'm going. I still don't see them. Like, I don't know. Dude. I mean, they didn't say that they were not gonna come today. All I know is that anyways, yeah. Talk to you guys on the next one. Get you guys on the next video that I do later today, okay? Bye, guys.